story here is called Magic Beach by Alison Lester. At our beach, at our magic beach, we swim in the sparkling sea, surfing and splashing and jumping the waves, shrieking and laughing with glee. The king and the queen are trapped in the moat, a dragon is spitting out flames. Princess Belinda is charging the beast to rescue little Prince James. I also chose this story because there's some special words in that. And these words end in 3 letters, I-N-G. We swim in the sparkling sea, sparkling, surfing and splashing and jumping the waves, shrieking and laughing with glee. All of those ing words tell us something. So these are happening words. And what we're going to do is have a look at these happening words, because these happening words end in ing, but we have, that's called a suffix, but we have base words that are attached to these words, to the ing. And when I'm looking at these words, I need to work out how to spell these words if I would like to write those words. But we can follow some patterns and some rules to help us work out what to do with the base word when I add ing.
Drifting, find racing, playing, and play.
Alright, so you've got all of your words now in the right columns. So you have all the base words over here. The base words are all in one column, and then the matching words are in the other column, and all these have a suffix. What's the suffix?
ing.
ing. And these are all happening words. What I'm going to ask you to do now is hypothesize so that you know when you need to change the base word and why, or perhaps when you don't need to change the base word and think about why. We might start by looking at a base word where you need to add an extra letter.
Swim.
Yes. Can you put that in a pile for me? Swim, swimming. And before you go on to the next one, so can you tell me what you notice about the base word? What vowel does swim have?
I, and it makes an E sound.
That's right. So the name of the letter is I, and it makes a short vowel sound.
Yeah.
Great. And what comes after the short vowel?
A consonant.
A consonant. Just one consonant?
One.
Yeah. Okay. So can you find another base word that has a short vowel followed by a single consonant? What is that word there? What's the base
Trap.
word? Trap. And what comes after the short vowel in trap?
Put a consonant.
A consonant.
One consonant.
Just one consonant?
Yeah.
Okay. I wonder what happens to the base word in trap then when I add ing.
You have to do a double P. Double
So I have to,
and then add ing.
Okay. Can you find any other examples like that?
There's no other one.
No others? Okay. Swim, swimming. Trap, trapping. Dig, digging. Spit, spitting. If I don't know how to spell the word trapping, how can you teach me? What would the rule be?
So double the consonant at the end, then add ing.
All the time?
Only if there's one consonant in behind the short vowel.
Yeah. In the
Base word.
base word. But wait a minute. I'm just thinking, I'm a bit confused because the word jump has a short vowel in it as well. So I don't have to do anything to the word jumping when I add ing.
You just need a because there's two
Oh, so there's a blend of two consonants after the short vowel.
Yeah.
Can you find a base word that has a short vowel followed by a blend of two consonants? We'll put that there and we'll talk about that. Thrashing, okay. Now let me tell you, what sound can you hear, what phoneme can you hear at the end of the base word thrash? And how many letters make the sh sound?
Two.
2 letters. We call that a digraph. So if the base word has a digraph at the end, it looks like maybe we don't need to do anything to the base word. And that's a bit different to jump because jump does not have a digraph, does it? It has a blend of 2 consonant sounds at the end. What are the 2 consonants at the end of jump again?
And
So, it's a blend of 2 consonants.
Yeah.
So can you find other words that have either a blend of 2 consonants or a digraph at the end? Tell me about the word drift.
Drift has the short vowel is if, and the 2 letters after it, which happen to be consonants.
So if the base word has a short vowel followed by a blend of consonants, do I need to do anything to the base word before adding ing?
No.
No. Now in the word fight, we've got a different kind of vowel sound. It's not a short vowel. What can you hear in fight?
A long.
A long I. Yes. So if the middle of the base word has a long vowel sound, and then at the very end, what do we see?
Consonant.
Yeah. If the base word has a long vowel in the middle, but a consonant at the end, I don't need to double that base word at all. Okay, tell me about the word race. Why did you put that word there? But also tell me what vowel you can hear in race.
A.
Is that short or long?
Long.
And tell me what you see at the end of the word race.
It's got the bossy E, which makes the A-shaped name.
Okay, so are you saying the A and the E are working together to make the long vowel sound?
Yes.
Okay, so maybe do we need to start a new column there for race?
Yes.
Okay, so let's start that over here. So if the base word has a long vowel and it ends with an E, what do we need to do?
Drop the E and add
ing.
Okay, ooh, struggle has an E at the end too, doesn't it? Okay, paddling, where should that go?
Over there.
Okay, I'll move that. Can you tell me why paddle and paddling need to fit into this category?
Because it ends in an E, and you E and ing.
That's right. So if the base word ends in E, I need to drop the E and add ing. So how many different column sections do we have? So we will put the trigraph together as one, and we'll put the one that has the blend as another one, and then these ones all have
The digraph.
digraph. Fantastic. Well done.